Good morning, Primary 3. We will start to take today Unit 3, the fractions. We have 4 lessons in Unit 3. Lesson 1 is not new for us. We took it in Primary 2, the meaning and reading of fraction. The 3 new lessons will be equal fractions, comparing and ordering fractions, adding and subtracting the fractions. Let's start with the lesson 1, the meaning and reading of fraction. Okay, let's remember together. If we have a pizza like this and it's divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I want to represent how many parts did I eat? How many parts here did I eat? I eat only one. I eat only one piece of 4 pieces. We will write it like this. I ate only one piece. That is what I ate. And 4 is the whole parts of the whole one. The whole parts we had. Okay? So we will write it like this. 1 and then the sign of the fraction, and then we will write the number of all parts. Okay, that's what I ate. Okay, if I want to represent how many parts still I didn't eat yet, we will count 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3 over 4. That's remained parts. And also this is the whole parts I had. So fraction, we use it to indicate a part of the whole parts. Okay, let's remember together. If we have 3 over 4 like this, do you remember what we call 3? We called it numerator. Okay, and 4 is called denominator. So again, the fraction is written like this: number up and the sign of the fraction, and number down. The number up is called numerator, and that's what I will represent. And 4 is the denominator, and that's the whole parts I have. Okay, let's see if we have another shape like this. And this shape is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I have 2 shaded parts like this, I want to present these shaded parts. I will say I have 2 shaded parts over what? Over all parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 2 over 4. 2 over 4. Okay, let's open our booklets together. Page 46. Page 46. Here we have some examples of the fractions. Here we have only 1 shaded parts, so we wrote here 1, and the whole parts are 1, 2. So they are 1 over 2, or we call it half. The other figure, we have also 1 shaded part, and we have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we wrote 1 over 4. Okay, here we have 3 shaded parts, so we wrote 3 as the denominator, and all parts is 4, so we wrote 4. Okay. Let's see now here these examples. Here we have what? 1, 2, 3. So the whole parts is 3. And we have only 2 shaded parts. 1, 2. So it will be 2 over 3. Okay, let's see the other one. Here we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the whole parts is 10. And the shaded are only 3. So it will be 3 over 10. Let's see the last example here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also. So the whole parts are 10. And the shaded, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 7 over 10. So that's how we can represent fractions by shapes. Okay, now go to page 47 in your booklet. Here, example, exercise 2. We will solve number 8 together, and the rest will be homework for you. Okay, so right here, number 2 is a homework. Okay, let's solve exercise A. Here, we will put the sign of the fraction first. How many parts I have all? 1, 2, 3. So I will write down 3 as the denominator. And how many shaded parts here? I have 2 shaded parts. So it will be 2 over 3. Let's take this one also. We will put the sign of the fraction. Let's count how many parts we have all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will write 10 as the denominator. Now let's count the shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 7 over 10. That's how we can write the fraction representing by figures. Okay. Let's go back to any fraction we have like this. This fraction, the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 7. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay? Denominator and numerator, and this is the denominator. We can call it Nemo to be easy. Okay? So numerator is 3 and 7 is the denominator. Okay, if I have 2 over 9, this also will be the numerator and this will be the denominator. Let's see if we could solve these ones. Again, back to your booklet, page 47. This fraction, 2 over 9. The numerator we will look to the digit up. It's 2. So the numerator is 2. And denominator is 9. So we will write 9. Here we have the opposite. He gives me the numerator and the denominator and he wants me to write the fraction. Numerator, when we see numerator, we will think of the digit that is up. We will put the sign of the fraction. Up we will write 5 and down we will write 10. Okay? Let's see another one. The fraction 3 over 8. The numerator is up, denominator is down. So we will write up is 3 and 8 is down. Again, he gives me the numerator and denominator and he wants me to write the fraction. The first I will put the sign of the fraction. Here, he starts with denominator. Denominator is down, D. D and D, they are both the same. So denominator down, so we will write down 7. And numerator is 9, so we will write here 9. The last one, the fraction 6 over 10. Again, he starts here with the denominator. Be careful. He may start with numerator and he may start with denominator. He starts with denominator, so it will be 10. And the numerator will be 6. That's it. So easy, okay? Okay. Now let's go to another point, which is how to read the fraction. How to read fraction. We said that 2 over 9 is a fraction, but we want to give it a name. We will not say 2 over 9. We want to give it a name. So what we will do, we will start again from the numerator. What we have in numerator, it's 2. We will write 2. Okay, we will write 2. Then go to the denominator. We have 9, but we will write 9th. Okay, we will not write 9, we will write 9th. So we have 2 9th. 2 9th. Okay, let's take another one. 7 over 8. We will not say 7 over 8. We will say 7. Start with the numerator. We will write 7 and then 8th. Okay, it will be 7 8. The last example we may have 5 over 10. Start again from the numerator, it's 5. The denominator is 10, so we will say 5/10. Okay? Notice here that we add th, right? We add th for the denominator. So we will say the digit up as it is 7, 5, 2, but the denominator we will add th to the number. Here 9th, 8th, and 10th. Okay? Okay. Let's see that in our booklet. Go to page 49. Let's read these fractions together. 3 over 5. How can we read it or write it? We will say the numerator first. It's 3. Okay. Now go to the denominator. It's 5, but we will say 5th. We add th to the number. Okay. Let's take this one. 4 over 8. We will say 4, and then we will say 8th. Okay? So this is how can we read and write the fraction. Another point we have, here I have what? Here I have a whole one. It's not divided to any parts. It's a whole one. It's not divided. If I take this shape and divide it into 2 parts, but 2 equal parts, they have to be equal parts. Not any 2 parts, they have to be equal. Okay. Here I have what? Here I have 1 over 2, right? If I describe this part, it will be also 1 over 2. And they are together is a whole 1. So we may say that a whole 1, which we express it as 1, it will be 2 half. 2 half, right? When we read this fraction, we will say 2 half. 2 half. So in whole 1, we have 2 half. Okay, if I take the same shape and divide it into 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. This part will be 1 over 3. This also will be 1 over 3. And this one will be 1 over 3, right? One shaded part of 3 parts. Here we can dot it. So it's one dotted part from 3 parts. And here empty part, it will be 1 also over 3. They are also together form a whole 1. So we can say that a whole 1 equal 3 thirds. 3, 1, 2, 3, and each one is third. So we can say that's a 3 thirds. 3 thirds. We will make that for all fractions. We can say that 1 equal 2 over 2 equal 3 over 3, 4 over 4, 5 over 5, and so on. Okay, so the whole 1, in the whole 1, the numerator is the same as denominator, and we have seen how that comes. 3 over 3, 4 over 4, the same number in each one. Okay, so here in our booklet page 48, let's see here. There are how many fourth? How many fourth are there in whole 1 or one whole? How many fourth we have? We said that in whole 1 we have 4 fourths. So we will say that we have 4 fourths. Okay? How many eighths? We will say also 8 because whole 1 equal 8 eighths. How many fifths? We will write 5. 1 equal 5 over 5. How many halves? It's 2 because 1 equal 2 over 2. The last one, how many quarters? We said that 1 equal 4 over 4, so we will write 4. This also will be so easy. 5 over 5, 3 over 3, 4 over 4, 7 over 7, 6 over 6. Because we said that the whole 1, the numerator will be the same as the denominator. Okay, let's see here how many thirds. 1, 2, 3. So we will say 3. How many sixes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one is 1 over 6. So we have 6. Okay. Here he gave me the fraction in letters, and I want to represent it in digits. So I will put the sign of the fraction half. So it will be 2 and here will be 1 because it's only a half, meaning 1 half. Okay, let's see here. 2/5. We said that when we see th, it will be the number down the denominator. So it will be 5 and up will be 2. 1/3, it will be 1/3 because it's 1 here and third is the denominator. 6/9, it will be 6/9. 4/11, it will be 4 up and 11 down. 3/10, it will be 3/10. 5/15, 5 up and 15 will be down. 3/4, 3 will be up and the quarter meaning 4 down. This is our lesson today. It was about the fraction. Don't forget to solve your homework. That exercise that we wrote it here, homework, it's booklet page 47 number 2, and we will complete this page, booklet page 49. See you soon inshallah. Thank you.